This is step 3 of the Dancing Toothless Meme Crochet Amigurumi tutorial. If you haven't seen steps 1 and 2, go back and watch them first. In this tutorial, we'll be making the head. We'll make the lower jaw first. Start with a magic ring of 8 single crochet stitches. So I don't waste your time, I'll show you the start of each row and the description of what you need to do, and we'll take it slowly where there are any tricky parts. You've seen how I close my magic ring in steps 1 and 2, so I won't go over that again now. And round 2 is the same as we've done in the other magic rings we've made before. It's an increase, single crochet times 4. There'll be 12 stitches at the end of the round. Insert a round marker so you don't lose track of where you're up to. And in round 3, we'll be doing an increase, 2 single crochets times 4. There'll be 16 stitches at the end of the round. Remember to secure your anchoring loop from the magic ring when you get up to it. In round 4, we'll start shaping the jaw. Do 3 single crochets, an increase, 7 single crochet, an increase, and 4 single crochet. There'll be 18 stitches in the round. Those increases should be on opposite sides of your work, and they'll become the fold lines for the jaw. In round 5, we'll do a single crochet in each space. In round 6, we'll do 4 single crochet, an increase, 8 single crochet, an increase, and 4 single crochet. The increase should be just above the increase you did 2 rounds ago. Remember to keep moving your round marker each time you get to the end of a round. In round 7, we'll do a single crochet in each space. For round 8, we'll only do 1 increase in the center of the mouth, so we'll do 10 single crochets, an increase, and then 9 single crochet, 21 stitches altogether. That's all the shaping we need to do for the lower jaw, so for rounds 9 through 18, we'll do a single crochet in each space. That's 21 stitches per round. For the last stitch in round 29, do a slip stitch. Then cut off a yarn tail long enough to do an invisible end. Fold the lower jaw with the increases at the sides, and you're finished. There it is. It should be looking roughly the same as this. There's the lower jaw done. Next, we'll make the top part of the head. The top part of the head starts exactly the same as the lower jaw. Rounds 1 to 7 are the same. So we'll go through the first 7 steps quickly. Start with a magic ring of 8 single crochet stitches. Start round 2 the way I've taught you and then close the magic ring. Round 2 has an increase and single crochet times 4. Round 3 is an increase and 2 single crochets times 4. 16 stitches at the end of the round. Round 4 is 3 single crochet, an increase, 7 single crochet, an increase, and 4 single crochets. Round 5 is a single crochet in each space, 18 stitches in the round. Round 6 is 4 single crochet, an increase, 8 single crochet, an increase, and 4 single crochet. Your increases should make it possible for you to make a nice fold line there by now, and round 7 is a single crochet in each space. The upper part of the head is larger than the lower part, so we still need to do some more increases. Round 8 is 5 single crochet, increase, 9 single crochet, increase, and 4 single crochet. There'll be 22 stitches in the round. Round 9 has an increase and then 21 single crochet stitches, so 23 stitches in the round. Round 10 has a single crochet, increase, 10 single crochet, increase, and 10 single crochet. There'll be 25 stitches in the round. Rounds 11 to 21 have a single crochet in each space. We'll just pause in round 15 to attach the safety eyes. Use the increases we made in previous rounds as a guide on where to fold, so fold your work along the increases. We'll insert the eyes between rounds 9 and 10 on the upper sides of the face. Insert a needle where you think the eye should go, and compare with where I've placed the eye in my dragon. Remember that the head is going to have some fibre fill in there, so it's not going to be completely flat. When you're satisfied, insert your safety eye and secure it firmly. The second eye is 10 stitches across from the first eye. Please check before you attach the eye permanently to make sure it is in a position you're satisfied with. Adjust the head while you're checking for the eye position, remembering that it will contain some stuffing. It looks so cute. Now we'll continue what we were doing. We're at the start of round 16 and we're doing a single crochet in each space until the end of round 21. That's 25 stitches per round. If you followed the pattern exactly, this should be where you've finished round 21, and it's exactly the right place to attach the tongue to the head. We'll join them together with 9 stitches across here. Go into the second stitch from the edge of the lower jaw part, and then into the next stitch in our upper head part. You can remove that round marker for now. Keep crocheting the lower jaw and the head together. You'll need 9 stitches across there in total. Your head should look like this, and if you open the top as much as you need for the filling, you can see that the place we stopped is the perfect point to continue around the top of the head. Insert a round marker here, and we'll call this round 1 of the joined head. So this is round 1, and you'll do a single crochet in every space. When you get to the other side of the head, only crochet into spaces that don't have a stitch in them. So just step across from where we joined the head parts together and only crochet into a space that doesn't have a stitch in it. Continue crocheting to the end of the round. Move your round marker up to the next round and crochet into that stitch that we used to step across into the new round. For this round, round 2 of the joined head, do a single crochet in every space. For round 3, we're going to decrease to shape the back of the head. The pattern is 2 single crochet, decrease, 3 single crochet, decrease, 4 single crochet, decrease, 3 single crochet, decrease, 5 single crochet, decrease, and a single crochet. That's 2 single crochets done, and now is the decrease. The goal is to have the decreases on the 4 corners of the head, and I wanted to have another decrease in the center at the top. Continue with that crazy pattern until the end of the round. For the last round, round 4, we'll do a single crochet in each space. The back of the head is a rectangular shape, so we're going to turn our work over, do a chain stitch, and then do 8 single crochet stitches across the back. Here's the 8th stitch. When you've done that, flip your work over again, do a single chain, and then 8 single crochet stitches across. There's the 8th stitch in the second row. We'll do that 2 more times. Flip over your work, do a chain, and then 8 single crochet stitches. Do that 2 more times. The next thing to do is to add some stuffing to the head. Try to make sure you wrap some of the stuffing around the top and bottom of the safety eye pins that are inside the head so that you don't have the eyes pointing askew. And don't overstuff the head, it needs to be quite flat. The last thing to do is to carefully sew the back closed. I sewed through the front loops on either side to make a neat finish. And here it is, the finished head. There is a little line around there, but you don't need to worry about it because that's where we're going to attach these scales and ears, or are they horns? In the next video we'll make all of those horns and we'll put it all together. See you then.